Thank you very much. We're quite grateful to be in Kilifi. Very good reception that you've got. It's been our agenda to make sure that we develop the coastal region, and Kilifi offered us more of a blue ocean place, and we are happy that indeed even the reception that we've gotten from the general public, both we've been able to launch a store successfully, products on time from the suppliers, our staff members and everyone. And we're indeed very grateful to actually be here, and I've actually opened a great store. This is a food market concept that we have actually opened, and it will continue to serve people. And what we are saying is we shall continue to grow, continue to fill voids that are created, and to ensure that the general Kenyan population enjoys the Kenyan retail as the number one retailer as we proceed and as we go on. So we are quite happy that the Kilifi, so we are indeed grateful that in Kilifi, it's a ready market. It's a market that is already mature. And indeed, this was something that definitely Naivas was actually missing to be in. So we are quite happy to be here. Everything is there. And we have very many and exciting offers for the Kilifi customer. And we shall continue with our cost agenda under the banner of Pwani Yetu, Naivas yangu. And make sure that we indeed make the Kenyan agenda of growing and having a successful business that will definitely be this particular store. So we are happy and indeed hope that everything will actually continue to spur as planned. Over and above that, we are definitely continuing with the expansion across the country. We have other stores that are actually coming in. We shall have a new store in Nakuru, we shall have a new store in Kisumu, we shall have a new store in Eldoret. And all this, we're not just doing a blanket and an expansion blindly. We're making sure that whatever and where we go already meets the set prerequisites to be able to ensure that we're actually able to handle it well. Thank you. We are happy that this is the 7th store in the coastal region and 70th in the total country, what you're calling a 777. And we shall continue with our expansion. Nobody else has gotten to the number 70. It's not easy, but we shall continue to make sure that we do a very well measured expansion plan. Thank you.
Kwa utulivu tunataka tukate ribbon na siku ya leo ndio tuweze kufungua duka sio. Wamama basi mabishangwe na nderemo. We now officially declare a Kilifi branch, the second gate of Naivas, officially open. Wapi nderemo?
Give that